Hi, and thanks for watching. Toyota asked us to come and help them with one of their auxiliary development labs that they were moving into in a fit-out phase, and we came in, brought our heavy equipment to supply them with their grind and seal finish that they specified. We started profiling the floor, grinding all the surfaces, taking the high spots and the uneven sections out. Once our first pass was complete, we mixed and installed all the patch into joints and cracks, and then began our second pass to even all those areas out. Once that was done, we began applying our 2 coats of heavy solids acrylic sealer to seal the floor so that it would be essentially a clean, easily maintained area, followed by a burnish to lock that in and to finish with a low sheen matte gloss finish. They are very happy, and as you can see, the space has a fresh look, ready for a move-in of brand new development and production. Thanks for watching. If you need to have your factory or warehouse space given a fresh, clean look, grind and seal, please give us a call today and we will be happy to connect you with one of our sales team and get your project underway.